And the total here, what will go out of you will be this. Friends, in today's video, I'll show you how to open sole proprietorship in Alberta. And to do this, just below this video in the description, here is the link which you see here. Once you go down and click on this link, you will come to this page. And you see here, by clicking, you get a 15% discount at the time of checkout. So make sure to use the link to get this discount. And once you come here, click on Get Started. And here, tell us about your business. Select New. My company is located in Alberta. Click Next. You come to this Compare Your option. Here, if you don't know what the difference between incorporation or sole proprietorship is, here is the summary. So for today's video, I'm showing you sole proprietorship. Select, and then here my company will be called. Here the requirement is that it must be unique and must contain a distinctive element and descriptive element. For example, they have given here Rhino Sandwiches Inc. So since it is going to be sole proprietorship, I'll show you how this will come. So I'm just writing Nova Cyber Consulting. Okay. So this meets being unique and distinctive. And once I confirm and click next, which will get me to the sign up page. Okay. So here, first name, last name, email and password. You enter that. I click sign up. You come to this page where your company's name is shown, whatever you have chosen, and then you fill in these information. First, to start with account information. Here you enter the phone number and then followed up with the address as it is shown here, the province Alberta. And here I am a Canadian resident. This comes by default. A Canadian resident includes citizens and permanent resident who ordinarily reside in Canada. So if you meet this criteria, it's good. If not, you want more information, go through the read more section here, and I'm keeping as it is, then clicking next. We are now on business information page where my company will be sole proprietorship based in Alberta. Now there are three options here. We're going for the sole proprietorship. If you want to do a provincial Canadian incorporation, it's a different video which you can find in the link. And let's come to sole proprietorship. Address, check, recheck, cross check. Then my company will operate in, once you come here, this drop down has a long list. Choose the one which is closest to you. In my case, I can either choose technology, internet, software, because it's a, cyber consulting. And also I have a choice with consulting and business service. So I'm choosing which is closest to what I do, consulting and business service. So once this is done, click next. And here it's asking for the name confirmation. My name will be called. That shows up and it meets the requirement here. And then click next. This is the payment page where you get a package overview. For the sole proprietorship, it will cost you 49 Canadian dollar, which is a one-time fee. Unlimited business name searches, business registration number, business registration documents, business document storage. There are some bonus perks, and you also get a chat support here. Okay. And if you bundle that up with RBC business bank account, you save additional $49, which you will see in the next page. So you can go and read the terms. Click next. This is the payment page, and you can see here the government fee, the registration fee. It is made free. Ownr will cover this registration fee for you, and the Ownr registration fee is $49. Then the RBC bank account, if you open with RBC, then you get this discount, and the total here, what will go out of you will be this. Now, what if you don't want RBC bank account? Click here, and you see the total becomes $51.45 for the Alberta location. So I'll keep as it is. And by clicking next, you agree to open an RBC bank account within 60 days of payment. If you do not open the account, the discount will not apply and your credit card will be charged the remaining $49. So once you read this, click next, and here you enter your credit card detail, and once the detail is filled, you do the payment. Now, once the payment is done, you get the final review document. Just go over the document, check, recheck, cross-check for correctness, and once that is complete, sit down and relax. Ownr will take on from here, and once your sole proprietorship is active, they will intimate to you via email, and after which you will be able to start your business. Now, if your business requires specific permit or licensing, please do watch my other video, which is specific to business license and permits. Make sure you are always on the right side of the law. And that's it, guys. In case you have any question or comment, please use the comment section and do let me know. Thanks for watching.